student, I joined the competition, and we made a team and wrote a digital assistant for new students, basically telling them where in which building is going to be your lecture, how do you get there, by bike, by bus, automatically scheduling when to take it, how to be there, so making the life of a student easier. And yeah, we did make second place at that competition. And the first place was actually a small idea called Sona. But I was approached all the time by the founders of Sona to join their team. And after my company failed, I switched basically to Sona. Also took some of my teammates with me. And yeah, since then I've been like the first still remaining employee at Sona. So if it's a parking lot, it's installed at the parking lot on top of a street lamp. If it's in a parking housing, it's installed on the inside roofs of each level of that parking house. And then the vision data is taken and evaluated on that computer directly with a neural network, and of course also multiple neural networks and algorithms with pre and post processing. My career started in school when I was kind of a problem student, and my parents decided to initiate a robotics club at my school, so to give me something to do and not to annoy the teachers.
So without any further ado, let's welcome Jonas Zagatta.